Whoa! 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 What the fuck? Ferrari, Lamborghini, Porsche, Mercedes and many more. Focus guys, what's up? Welcome to Petrolhead's Paradise. The date which we are waiting for is finally unveiled. The Park Supercar show is back on track and is going to be in Mumbai as always, and we will be seeing hundreds and 200s plus of supercars running on Mumbai roads. But first, even before the main post from the Supercar Club, Mr. Gautam Singhania has commented on his post and released some details about the event. Check this out. And from this, he gave us a hint that focus. From that, he gave us the hint that the Park Supercar show is going to be in the February and it is going to be even bigger and better. And on the official post of the Facebook by the Supercar Club, they have finally released the date as well as how many dates, as well as the main venue of the Park Supercar show. There, the Park Supercar show is going to be held in the BKC, the Bandra Kurla complex in Mumbai. The Park Supercar show dates have finally been released and I am very excited. Park Supercar show is been one of the craziest things which happens in Mumbai every year. Oh shit, my light turned off. It's okay, but Park Supercar show was the thing which actually started my channel. If you go below the list of my all videos, you can see that my initial videos were totally unedited, just from my phone, directly uploaded on YouTube, and it was the Park Supercar show rally videos. So you can say almost that the Park Supercar show thing started my YouTube channel, and I actually started uploading videos because that event was held and I recorded those clips. So that's a very big thing for me. And channel update, the things which you have seen until now on my channel will be there for sure, but including that there will be even more stuff coming on the channel. I'm going to be starting vlogs on my channel and thinking of something, updating my channel by a little bit. So in the comment section, you guys tell me what new things you want to see on my channel which can sparkle your experience of watching Petrolhead's Paradise videos on YouTube. So guys, let me know all the things in the comment section right now. Like from whole India, there are a lot of cars coming and displaying there and showing off the supercars, and at the end of the show, and the whole cars roar up in the mornings of Mumbai and kill everyone's ears positively. And guys, there will be 3 full fucking days of Park Supercar show, which will be 8th, 9th and 10th February 2019. And on my YouTube videos, you must have seen the McLaren driving in Mumbai. The Mr. Gautam Singhania is driving that and he is owning the car, and he has also imported some even more cool supercars which I think should be displayed at the Park Supercar show, which includes the McLaren 720S, Lamborghini Performante straight from London, Aventador SV, oh yes, and even there is a 25th anniversary Lamborghini Countach. We have never seen a Countach, and that's going to be everyone's first chance to see a Countach. And even one totally new shaded, blue shaded Ferrari 458 Speciale. So all of my subscribers who are spread in India, just book your tickets as soon as possible and come to the show in the February of 2019. As the first Park Supercar show I ever visited was 2013 one, and that actually was a very big one. And the last was the 2015, in which he bought the Ferrari. So even that was extremely big, and what can be even bigger than that? So tell me in the comments below, have you ever visited any Park Supercar show before, and how excited you are to visit the upcoming Park Supercar show? Let me know in the comments. Plus what you felt by listening to the news that the Park Supercar show is finally back and we'll be seeing all the supercars again on the Mumbai roads, and that's probably the biggest thing which happens in Mumbai. So very big thanks to Supercar Club and Mr. Singhania for arranging a Park Supercar show again for everyone. And it's going to bring a lot of smiles on a young crowd which have never seen supercars before, and there are going to be lot of photographs and videos published on the internet after the show, because આજકાલ social media, each and everyone has a smartphone which shoots videos. So each and everyone who will be entering in the show is going to click and shoot the videos of the cars. So guys, tell me in the comments below how excited you guys are after listening to this great news. So guys, if you like this video, then please do hit like, feel free to comment and share your experiences, and do share this news with everyone. as it's an open show for each and every person. Be excited, stay tuned, there are going to be a lot of fun on this Petrolhead's Paradise channel. So stay subscribed and press the bell notification icon as well. So guys, take care, make some noise. Bye bye, take care and Jai Hind. Woo!